Today we have a quick mystery product. We are trying to replace something. Just got it in. So we'll do a quick unboxing. I mean, this is how it came boxed. A little disappointed. There is no actual seal on this. It has the tabs here to do a quick tear off, but not actually sealed. So let's open this random made in China product and let's see what it is together. So we start out, we have this metal object threaded on both ends. We have another thread. It's got a wristband that'll thread in there. And here's what it is. Oh, let's get to English. So the Ulanzi, I guess that's how you pronounce it, Ulanzi ST-02. This is the new camera mount. I am excited. This thing is all metal. It screws open, clamps down. It's should be big enough for some fairly large phones. Shout out to Dan Harold. Thank you for letting me know about this company and these mounts. So there you go. Big enough for even my big phone. One thing I do like about this particular model that I picked up is it has the hot shoe on there. I don't know what else to say. I like it. It's metal. It's got a little bit of a spring. Rubber pads in the V-groove. We have the tripod mount here. This little handle here. I don't know if this is has some sort of strange rubber plug that doesn't fit in there, so I guess their quality control missed removing the little center piece from when they put the rubber at the top of this handle. Let's get that glue pushed off. Alright. So, the handle screws on. And you can hold your camera while you're filming. I'm doing this sideways, so sorry that some of these positions have been a little off. I'm trying to figure that out. All right. All right. Feels pretty good. It is kind of heavy, being all metal, but even heavier with this big phone on it. But yeah, so that should be a little less handheld, and we can drop this on the tripod whenever we need to. We'll have one more recording option.